Hello there. How's it going? It's me, Lisa. I woke up and I wanted to share a little bit of information with you. For me, waking up to the reality of this world that I live in, that we all live in, has caused me to pay attention to things that I've never paid attention to before. For one, my horoscope. I have a video on here that talks about how we're 3 horoscopes, not just one. And so then that takes us into the planets and how those planets out there have a way of influencing us, sending energy our direction, and if you're paying attention to your horoscopes, your sun, moon, and your rising, you tend to find out things about yourself, and you tend to find out those things they flow with what you're going through in life. They just do. Which is freaking fantastic, let me tell you. I'm 61, and this is the first time I've paid attention to it, and I'm very, very grateful that I'm paying attention to it. Because I'm in those horoscopes. And those horoscopes are directing me to possibly say and do things that I've never done before. Like posting on YouTube. So things are happening out there in our world, in our sky, in our constellations, within our planets, in our galaxy. And so I've been talking about meditation lately. And there's a reason for that. And I've mentioned the fact that it's what your soul wants you to do. It's trying its best to guide you to sit down and just be with yourself. You can hear better the calling of your soul when you are by yourself. Enjoying time by yourself. The few things that I do, and I might miss a couple, but journaling, gratitude journaling. Say my gratitude every day, all day long in my head. Yoga, being outside, gardening, grounding, standing on the earth. Any kind of cards with positive messages. I think I said yoga. Even being in the bathtub filled with a couple cups of salt, that's amazing. Just any type of self-care is in essence you connecting with all that is, with the most important part of you that is always connected with all that is. So I just want to do a small little video for the mere fact that I really, truly want you to just kind of absorb what I'm saying and use it to your advantage. You are so much more than anything you could have ever imagined. You are. And I say that with reverence and respect because this world we live in is changing. And once you actually pay attention to it, you'll see it. And you want to be part of that change because it's beautiful. There's always going to be all that shitty stuff going on. But the higher you vibrate, the less it influences you or bothers you or is even in your field of life. God is all powerful. And you're a child of God. So that makes you pretty goddamn effing powerful. Just to be you. In the fullness of life. I have no idea what I just said, but I know it's meant to light a fire. Have you go, let's give that a shot. Anyways, thanks for listening. Just a little 6-minute video. I appreciate your time more than you'll ever know. I love you, and I know whatever your heart is calling you to do, you have the power to do it. It's all love. Have a really good evening. Because it's like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Maybe it's 6. I don't even know. Anyways, have a great evening. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.